Good morning. My name is Dr. Puneet Gupta. On behalf of IAM Network, I would like to welcome all. And I don't know, just to make it a boring kind of a session today, and just another good morning and what is the agenda, which is already lying on your table, the details and who's going to speak, what is going to speak. So let me just brief you, what is IAM Network and what is the total agenda of us. Why, we are organizing such kind of an event. So idea behind is when we start, enter into our education system and when we grow. So over the period of time, we realize that we alone is, one directly cannot do everything. So likewise, I will, start with one example. One of my professors used to say, flying plane is very easy, but in the emergency, when something has to be taken care, that time, the guy who's experienced, that is his suggestions are important. So likewise, in kind of a startup ecosystem, so it is like a combination of mentors, startups, founders, co-founders, investors. So everyone is required to grow from starting level to a certain level. So the agenda and the event today is Advantage India Conclave is primarily to pay tribute to our last book, which was written by and co-authored by Srijan Pal Singh of Abdul Kalamji, Advantage India, and he is one of the most influential personality, as you know. So before going further, I just want to ask you, how many people here are maybe running a startups or maybe investors? If I can just ask, how many people running a companies? Okay. And how many investors are here? Okay, fine. So you guys, I'll meet you personally, sir, because we've been doing, and we'll connect you a lot of guys. So the event is primarily divided into a couple of keynote sessions and panel discussions, and I will not highlight those things. And on behalf of initiative which was taken by Invite My Guest, which is recently a new startup which is into this, inviting a guest on the spot, and an association with HarperCollins, I welcome everyone, and we will just continue our discussions and sessions on different panel discussions, which was divided on startup ecosystems, startup policies, entrepreneurships, what is the kind of a problem people face. So that's our overall discussion. Now, I just want to ask you one more thing. Whenever you, let's say, the agenda is primarily whenever you start any company, so that time, what I feel is, you need a lot of help from various experienced guys. So this is kind of an informal or formal platform wherein, we create bonding with our senior LMs. We can request them whenever is, required. So total, in short, what I can say is, for everyone I meet, your network is your net worth. So it is a platform, to network people, understand what other guys are doing. Maybe interested, we can enter into it, discuss with them. So now, further going ahead, I will request Vinny Patru, who is a co-founder and CEO of IAM Network. He will preside over further on this event. Thank you.